Let's check out these 3 pull-up banner stands. Installing them is breeze. First up, we have got our classic model. Made entirely of aluminum, it's lightweight yet tough, and it's economical in cost. Plus, the base has 2 aluminum feet that fold easily. Now, onto the second model. It's stronger and built to last longer than the classic. The base feet is bigger and more slip-resistant. Deluxe pull-up banner stand is the most popular. It's a little bit expensive, however, it's more durable and beautiful. Its base is made of all aluminum, which has good compression resistance. You can adjust the height, which can meet multiple needs. So whether you go classic, lift up, or deluxe, you are covered.